Hello, Professor. Welcome to my presentation of security testing. I am Jaisindar, and today I am excited to take you through the third part of OSU shop. Let's jump right in and explore the challenges I tackle, the solution and implement, and the key takeaway. Uh, let's go. So, oops. Um, Here's the task one. It was about posting feedback and uh, under the another's username uh, sounds intriguing, right? This task was designed to show how manipulating client-side code can lead unauthorized action. Here's how I cracked it. So as you can see, uh, here's the steps which I took. So I opened the feedback page of the Juice Shop in Firefox to get started and fired up the web developer tools and went straight to the inspector tab. This tool is super handy because it lets you edit the HTML right in your browser. I changed the username field to someone else's name, hit submit. The feedback was posted as another user. This exercise really highlight the importance of the server side validations. Um, So in this screenshot, you can see like uh, here there was a user's ID 22. I changed it to 20. Uh, and I got the success message here. And here there is a recommendation like uh, sorry for the disturbance around me. So the recommendation to prevent issue is like always implement robust server-side validation to make sure uh, validate and sanitize every piece of user input on uh, the server to keep your data secure. So let's jump to task two. Uh, is access a confidential document. Uh, for the first part, I need like there is a two challenges in task two. One is access a confidential document. For the first part, I needed to access a confidential document. I went to about section juice shop and modified the URL. So I changed it the URL by localhost 3000 slash FTP, and here I got to some the confidential file, uh, and uh, by clicking one file, I got the options to open it and download it. I opened the file and uh, went back to the main page. So I got the outcome successfully accessed the viewed confidential document. Here's the recommendation to prevent some issues. Turn off directory listing on the server and restrict access sensitive data. Moving to task 2.2, gain access server access log file. Uh, So that's too I needed to access a server log file. I opened the Juice Shop application and append slash logs to the URL, and this revealed the directory which various log files. I picked the relevant log file and access it. This task highlight how easily hidden directory can be exploited if not properly secured. Uh, yeah. So there's a log file actually which showed up by uh, changing a URL slash logs, um, and then I completed this challenge. jump to task 3, dumpster dive for leak password. Uh, this part was something tricky for me. I started by scouring online repository and forums for any leaked credential related to the juice shop using search tag platform like Slack Overflow. I found a post here you can see um, here. Yes, sorry. In this first screenshot, you can see I found a post with a sensitive information about access log. I extracted the credential and used them to log into the targeted account. It's really underscored the need of proper credential management. Specifically, I found a log entry at number of line 225, uh, which you can see here. uh, an admin dash as admin dashboard, I choose one email which was a J2934 at the juice shop, and I got in this pastebin.com I got one password line, the fail password and the success file was the initial password was Uh, the initial password was this, and I decoded that to section. Here you can see the section symbol. uh, I decoded with this uh, that the percentage C2 A759. I decoded with this section symbol, which gave me the password. Using this decode password, I successfully log in into user account. So here's some solution. Um, like to tackle this kind of vulnerability, make sure that sensitive data like password isn't log encrypt, and your log file use real-time monitoring and to spot any unusual activities. Uh, okay, so moving to last part, last task, premium paywall. So I begin by inspecting the HTML source of the scoreboard to find encrypted comment. I extracted the key initial in vector 6 needed to decryption the key was here I mentioned the key numbers here, and there's the IV number. So basically, uh, I decrypted the ciphertext and obtain a URL from the premium contact, and accessing this URL completes the task successfully. Uh, so here's the unlock premium challenge. After that, I got the keys from here, and I changed it from the URL, and successfully after running this, I got this URL, and accessing URL, the task has come complete successfully. Here's the solution. Uh, to insecure premium features ensure strong and authentication and authorization are in place, encrypt sensitive data, and use token-based access control. Also, regularly monitor and log access pattern to prevent unauthorized access. And that's wrap for my presentation. I hope detailed walkthrough gave you a clear understanding how I approach to solve each challenge. Thank you for tuning in. Uh, that's the end.